Dear students, we are going to start a new topic, states of equilibrium. There are three states of equilibrium: stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, and neutral equilibrium. A body may be in one of these three states of equilibrium. So first we discuss stable equilibrium. Consider a book lying on the table till the book slightly about its one edge by lifting it from opposite side. It turned to its previous position when set free. Such states of a body is called stable equilibrium. A body is said to be in stable equilibrium if after a slight tilt it returned to its previous position. A double-decker bus being under the test of a stability. Consider block. When the block is tilted, its center of gravity rises. If the vertical line through G passes through its base in the tilt position as shown in the figure, the block turns to its previous position. If the vertical line through G gets out of its base as shown in the figure, the block does not return to its previous position if top over the base and move the new stable equilibrium position. That's why vehicle is made heavy at its bottom to keep the center of the gravity as low positions. A lower center of gravity keeps it stable. Moreover, the base of the vehicle is made up wide so that the vertical line passes through its center of gravity should not get out of its base during turn. Unstable equilibrium. Take a pencil and try to keep it in vertical position on its tip as shown in figure. Whenever you leave it, the pencil topples over about its tip and fall down. This is called unstable equilibrium. In unstable equilibrium, a body may be made to stay only for a moment. Thus, a body is unable to keep itself in the state of unstable equilibrium. Thus, if a body does not return to its previous position when set free after a slight tilt, is said to be in unstable equilibrium. The center of gravity of the body is at its highest position in the state of unstable equilibrium as the body topples over about its base. Its center of gravity moves towards a lower position and does not return to its previous position. Neutral equilibrium. Take a ball and place on a horizontal surface. Roll the ball over the surface and leave it after displacing from its previous position. It remains in the new position and does not return to its previous position. This is called the neutral equilibrium. A body remains in its new position when disturbed from its previous positions. It is said to be in state of a neutral equilibrium. In neutral equilibrium, all new states in which a body is moved are the stable states. and the bodies remain in its new states. In the neutral equilibrium, the center of gravity of the body remain at the same height irrespective to its new position. There are various objects which have new equilibrium such as ball, sphere, ruler, pencil lying horizontal, an egg lying horizontally on the flat surface, etc. Stability and position of a center of mass. As we have learned that the position of the center of mass of an object plays an important role in their stability. To make them stable, their center of mass must be kept as low as possible. It is due to this reason racing cars are made heavy at the bottom and their height is kept to be minimum. Circus artists such as tightrope walkers use long poles to lower their center of mass. In this way, they are prevented from topples over. Here are few examples in which lowering of the center of the mass making an object stable. These objects return to stable states when the disturbed in each case center of the mass is vertically below their point of support. This make their equilibrium states.